before I touch anything, I'm gonna double check. I am all about the black wires are the ones that would have power. So I'm gonna lay it right on there. Stick it all up in here. Okay, we are good.
Here I'm using fishing tape. I'm going from the lower outlet up to where my new outlet will be, wrapping the new wire around the fishing tape and then pulling it back down to the lower outlet.
You're always gonna have a black wire, a white wire, and a copper wire. There could be 2 black wires, 2 white wires, like there could be multiple. Let's just focus on one for now. Black wires were the live wires. Blacks always go to the gold screws. White goes to the silver screws. Bare copper wire goes to this green screw. This is your ground wire. Something goes wrong, this takes excess power back to the breaker box. So we're gonna attach this. You wanna always attach these where as you tighten it, it wraps around more. Do you see how it wraps around more? All right, now it's time to put the white wire around one of the silver screws. Doesn't matter which one. They both do the same thing. If we had 2 white wires, you could just put one around each and it wouldn't matter which one goes on which one. And then tighten it nice and tight so it's not going anywhere. And then we're gonna put the black wire around one of the gold screws. Okay. And tighten. And you're done. That's the whole thing. Then you're gonna push this all back in here. Okay, and then these just push back into these. And the last piece is cover plate. Oh, it was beautiful. Just beautiful. Now with this one, since I'm adding in the new wires that are going up, I'm doing pigtails. So pigtails are just a 6 or 8 inch piece of wire, the same wire. And you see how I already went ahead and installed it just like I did the one above it, right? Bare copper on the ground screw. This white thing goes to silver screw, this goes to gold. So now we're just gonna take all of the black wires, every black wire that's in this box, everyone, including the new pigtail, twist them together and then cap them with a cap, okay? Then we're gonna take all the white wires, including the one on the pigtail, twist them together, cap. All the bare copper wires, twist them together, cap. If you're gonna do any electrical work, I highly recommend getting one of these little things. You plug it in and it's gonna tell you if something is wrong. In my case, 2 yellows means